So this is the GFG problem of the day. It's an easy one. I'd rather say it is a school level question. Everyone should be able to do it. And for the sake of doing the problem of the day, I'm doing this. So basically, we are given an array of size n, and we have to find the maximum and minimum element in that array, and we have to return the sum of that maximum and minimum element. So let's do it. First, we have to declare a variable int max, that is equals to int min, and int min equals int max, and we have to traverse the array and find the maximum and the minimum element. So for int I is equals to I is less than 10 plus plus, then if uh, the element a of I is less than min, then we'll update the min variable as a of I. So else if a of I is greater than max, then we'll update max as a of I. Okay, so finally we'll get the maximum and minimum element, and we'll return max plus min. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, so another way where we can do this is we can just sort a the array a, and then we can just return the first element and the last element, because it's the minimum and the maximum. Okay, okay, that's good to go. Thank you.